More than 130 million Instagrammers are tapping on products tags in shopping posts each month. And by understanding how people discover and buy products, Instagram shopping is definitely the shopping channel that your business must consider in order to reach more shoppers and therefore sell more.
Are you ready to set up Instagram Shop and start driving sales? Here's everything you need to know. So what is Instagram Shops? Instagram Shopping is a set of features that allow small business owners to easily sell your products while also posting your brand's photos and videos. And by tagging your posts with products, Instagram will expand their reach in the Explore tab, where you'll be able to get more people who are not actually your followers. Awesome! And of course, have the chance to sell more. You also have the option of checking out on Instagram, which lets people make purchases directly in-app. However, this feature is currently only available in the US.
There are a few things that you need to do to get access to shop features. So step 1, confirm your eligibility. Your business needs to be located in a supported market, have an eligible product, complies with Instagram's merchant agreements and commerce policies, and you own a domain in which you intend to sell from. Please check Instagram's website for all this information. Then step 2, convert to a business account. Once you have a business account, you can add in relevant business information like store hours, business address, phone numbers, and even a link to your website.
Step 3, connect your Facebook page. And this is actually pretty self-explanatory. You just want to go to edit your profile and follow the steps. Step 4, upload a product catalog. Instagram Shopping is powered by your product catalog, and there are 2 ways to connect a product catalog to your Instagram business account. The Catalog Manager is the do-it-yourself method found within Facebook Business Manager. E-commerce platform partners and integration through one of Instagram's certified e-commerce platform partners like Shopify or BigCommerce.
Step 5, complete account review and turn on shopping. Once you connect a product catalog to your Instagram and have products in your catalog, submit your account for review. Account reviews typically take a few days, but sometimes can take longer. So some businesses may need additional information to prove ownership of your domain. And once your account is approved, you can finally turn on shopping features.
Step 6, make content actionable. Once you've set up Instagram Shop, a new View Shop button will appear on your business's Instagram profile page. And from here, visitors will be able to browse your products, tap to find out more, and shop. You will also be able to start tagging products in your feed posts, Instagram stories, IGTV videos, Reels, guides, and live broadcasts. Plus, businesses with an Instagram shop can add a swipe up link that directs viewers to their shop, even if they don't have 10,000 followers yet.
Now you're posting, you're tagging, but how do you know if your efforts are successful? Check in your Instagram business account, click through to your profile, then the Insights tab to check on your Instagram analytics, including the likes, comments, and purchases. Once you're able to tell how your Instagram posts and stories are performing, you can garner some valuable information on what types of posts and products are popular with your audience, what you may want to promote more often, and what kind of inventory you should stock up on. In addition to other insights, you can also use this area of Instagram business account to learn about people that are interacting with your posts and the people that follow you, such as viewing gender identity, age range, and geographical details.
By combining organic and paid content, you will be on your way to driving more sales, increased revenue, and better understanding your customers. Have fun, get creative, and maximize the current and upcoming opportunities available for your e-commerce business by using Instagram Shops. That's a wrap, but your journey doesn't need to end here. We have over 250 videos for you to watch. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is The Journey.